Hey y'all, so it's been a long time since I did an unboxing of a Boxycharm box, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So this is the August Boxycharm, and I've been seeing this all over social media, and it looks like a lot of people got some really good stuff, but I know that every box is different for each person, so we'll see what I got in mine. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is a subscription service. It's $21 a month. And every box is filled with amazing things, trust me. Okay, so when I first open up the box, I see a little card here that says, totally Boxycharm, and it's pink and cute. Oh, oh my gosh. Girl, look what I got. Okay, first off, let me pull out the one thing that is screaming my name. Hello, we got a Tarte mascara. Big Ego mascara from Tarte. I've never used this before, but I love Tarte. Hello. So you paid $21 for the box. I got a Tarte mascara. Let's see how much this retails for. $23. So the price of the box is cheaper than the mascara. Hopefully this is some amazing mascara. I can't wait to try this, oh my God. Oh, look at the packaging. Hey, it matches my hoodie. This is so cute. It's hot pink, it's got gold lettering, and it looks like it's gonna be good. Ooh. Okay, let's see what else I got. Next, I got a Becca product. This is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. What? Retails for $39. What is this? Ooh, this packaging looks nice. Sweet. Alright, that is gonna be fun to try. So, Hydra Mist Set and Refresh. Interesting. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin. Ooh. Next up, we got a Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Oh, I'm going to love this. So this retails for $42. Girl, okay, it's supposed to instantly hydrate and absorb into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. I'm all for it. I need it, so baby pink too, super cute. Next up, we got a Steve Laurent lip liner. This retails for $15. What color did I get? I always get something that's like an odd color. What color is this? It's actually like a nude, I guess. It's called Chic. Looks a little dark for my liking. Actually, it looks kind of mauve or rose, but it's still nice. We'll see about that. And next up, we've got two Ace Beauté Glimmer eyeshadows. These look really cool. So these retail for $25. Well, it says Glimmer Shadow Duo, so I wonder if it's $25 for both or individual. Look at these colors. This one is called Cotton Candy. Doesn't look like cotton candy, but okay. And then this one is called Iced Latte. Let me see about this. Oh, these feel amazing. They're kind of like cushiony. They got some chunks of glitter up in there, but I'll try and see if I like it. I'm not really a fan of glitter, but we'll see, we'll see. But look at the packaging. Baby pink, super cute. The formula feels really nice and interesting. And yeah, so we got these two Ace Beauté Glimmer Shadows. Okay, well, Glimmer Shadows, so they were supposed to have a little glitter, I'm assuming. But yeah, so they have a creamy texture. I like that. All right, so the two eyeshadows, we got the Becca powder, we got the illuminating face oil, the Tarte mascara, and the lip liner. This box is amazing, so totally Boxycharm. And that's what's in this month's box. Well, mine anyway. So let's see, what number did I get? What variation did I get? Number 2. So other people will get other things, but I got number 2, and I can't wait to try this. So anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you get your Boxycharm for the month of August? And if you did, what variation did you get? Did you get the same thing as me? Let me know down below. I would love to hear. And okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.